Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve hidden shots on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve hidden shots on Discord app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to Discord and you can click. Here we'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.